What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael, and I am the Crafty Crocheter. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you stick around. And for those of you who are loyal subscribers and or loyal viewers, welcome back. I appreciate your patronage. So today is the day, folks. Today marks my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Now, I never thought I would get this far, having, as of this taping, 610 subscribers, which I am eternally grateful for. I never thought it would get this far, being a small channel, being a fledgling channel. So I am grateful for what I've accomplished so far. I'm grateful for all your support and love and kind words of encouragement and words of wisdom. So keep those coming, folks, and I will do the same. So what a wacky adventure it has been so far, being on YouTube for a year. So I just can't believe it. And plus, being that it's Friday the 13th, which makes it even sweeter because I love Friday the 13th. I know it sounds weird, but I do. It's like one of those very auspicious dates of the year. So, and of those of you, you've seen my cute little short the other day that I did a homage to the original Friday the 13th movie. So hope you check that out because I think that's really cool. So plans for 2026. Well, I plan on delivering a lot more insightful content, more tutorials, more yarn hauls, more product reviews, things like that, and any other type, and more yarn dancing for sure, because can't view this channel without me yarn dancing somewhere. And I also been toying around with the idea of doing giveaways, because if you have seen my last live stream, a couple of my subscribers had suggested to bring in more viewers and or subscribers to have some sort of giveaway. So I plan on doing that. And so speaking of a giveaway, I plan on giving away one of my completed projects. And I think the completed project that I want to give away, I have it over here, is going to be my Janie Crow Marrakesh Tiles blanket that I created. Now, this particular blanket is all 100% acrylic. All the yarn used in this project was from Hobby Lobby. Their I Love This Yarn, #4 worsted weighted yarn. And so I love the way it came out, so I'll get up and show you more of it in detail. And you can see, I'm not gonna, so you see the grainy squares and the big octagons and the half grainy squares, and then you got the corner grainy squares along with all the nice intricate border. So I thought this turned out really nice. So I do plan on giving this away, so I may do a separate video for that, so that way y'all can enter for the drawing and be the lucky recipient of this blanket. So, and I may also give away my cotton candy blanket too, but right now I thought maybe this particular blanket would draw in a lot of people, because on my short I've gotten a lot of overwhelming positive responses for this blanket. And I've had people ask me to give them the pattern, but since it's a copyrighted pattern, I cannot do that, but I can give away the blanket. So enough of that, but like I said, stay tuned for that little video, because I'm going to be using the YouTube randomizer for the comments. So if you want to be eligible for the blanket, when I put the video up, I'll just say, I'll do like a pinned comment saying, please leave a comment to be eligible to be the winner of the blanket. So I thought that might be an interesting idea. So, and I may also do like some yarn giveaways too, but I still have to work out the kinks in that. So anyway, that's what's going on with me. So again, when I started this adventure, I was filming in a different location. This is not where I started originally. I started in my downstairs spare bedroom. I had laundry baskets behind me, and I had not as much yarn as I have now. So that's why I had to move up here. So anyway, that's what's going on with me. So again, I am grateful for all of you who have tuned into my channel, given me likes on my videos, left me comments, left me positive feedback, given me words of encouragement, words of wisdom, much love and support. So again, I know I can't stress this enough, but I am grateful. Y'all are important to me. So that's that. So anyway, if you have any suggestions for future videos or any ideas for projects or just something I haven't done before that you don't see on other channels, let me know and I'll gladly try to incorporate that. So why did I start with YouTube? I guess I've seen a couple other people doing it, and I thought I would love to spread my knowledge and appreciation and love of the crocheting arts, the knitting arts, crafting arts, and just share what I know. And I love doing it. And I made it no secret that I want to be monetized by YouTube, just to see if I can actually do it and to get the subscribers I need, the watch hours I need. So it's kind of like, so that's my goal. So I want to get monetized, and I mentioned this from day one, so it's not a secret. So and I'm thinking also that I'm going to say, if you have any questions, if you want to email me about, give you questions about crocheting, knitting, crafting, or whatnot, I can leave my email address right there, and then you can just send me an email. If you don't want to post a long comment, I understand that. If you want something to be more private, so nobody else can see it, that's fine. I understand that completely. So yeah. And also for those of you who follow my Instagram, thank you so much for being a loyal follower of my Instagram. For those of you who are watching this and are currently not followers to my Instagram, again, my Instagram handle is the same as my channel name here, which again, right there. So, and I think if you go onto there, I did this little kind of like a PSA, not a PSA, but more like oh hey, attention knitters and knitters and crocheters, let's create a warm, positive community, follow me and I'll follow you back, So speaking of which, I thought about this. Does anyone follow people who leave comments on their videos? Because I thought about doing that, but then I'm not sure if that's a viable, a good idea, or I'm not sure how to forego that. I know I've heard of something called sub for sub, to where someone subscribes to your videos and you subscribe back and subscribe to your channel, then you subscribe back in return. So probably a good way to build your subscriber base. I'm not sure if that's viable as well. And I also think piece of fuzz in here. Anyway, so I also do have my Shopify channel, and I'll leave the link in the description below. And I also leave all my affiliate links below too. So because I'm affiliate for Yarnspirations and Premier Yarns, Lion Brand, Hobie Yarns, Singer Sewing Machines. And I'm still waiting to hear back from Michaels. And for some reason, Hobby Lobby, after I tried submitting my application several times, they said no. So I don't know if it's just because of who I am, or it's just at the time I didn't have enough followers or subscribers or anything like that. But I don't know. But oh well. Anyway, that's what's going on with me. Again, I am grateful for this wacky adventure for the whole year. So now let me get back to why I started. So I just started because I love crocheting. I love to spread my knowledge of crocheting. So I hope to do a heck of a lot more, and hope to get a heck of a lot more subscribers and piece of fuzz in here. Yeah, I've done that, a piece of fuzz, and more subscribers and more interaction. So let's build a positive and welcoming community here. Just if you subscribe to me, just hey, leave a comment, say hey, I subscribed, and I'll do the same. I'll subscribe back to you, and I'll say hey, I subscribed as well. So that way it's confirmed that hey, you subscribe to the channel and that you like what you see, you like my content, and you hope for more. So other than that, that's what's going on with me. I didn't really plan this video out, but I had some ideas how to do it. So I talked about the giveaway, I'm thanking everyone for this love and support and things like that. So I don't fall into the danger of repeating myself. Hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. because love is the most important, is the most powerful force in the universe. Love each other, help each other out, be kind to one another, spread kindness to one another, pay it forward if possible, because there are a lot more people worse off than you. So love yourself, be true to yourself, stay on your true path, and don't let anyone deter you from the path, no matter what they say. You be you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important any time of the year. And again, I cannot stress this enough, that if you want to improve your overall mental health, I would say get into something that's relaxing, like crocheting, knitting, painting, drawing, writing, anything that's creative, anything that's going to put you in a relaxed state of mind and put you in a positive mindset. On that note, thank you for your love and support. Let's keep the momentum going. Take care of yourselves and each other.